welcome back to Yummie Kitty. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys these 2 ways to slime kit by Yummie Kitty, and of course not for sale. I'm not selling it, I'm not buying it, I just make it. So it is easy, simple and fun, and this is the best way to make slime. And I have no idea what should I decorate, and I just make this like this little thing. And when you open it, you can see subscribe for Yummie Kitty on YouTube. So don't forget to subscribe. So I'm gonna open it right now. So here I go. Open it. So first we'll get this container, says slime, and this place it says slime too, which you can't see clearly, but it does. And inside we have the spoon that I can lift on, and then get this instruction. We're gonna read it. And the last thing is this bubble and stickers. So I'm gonna read the instruction. So here says 2 way to slime instruction. Hey, before we start, can you check the ingredients first? Here. Okay. Spoon 1, check. Container, check. Bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle 3. This is bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle 3, check. And complete. If yes, great. Let's get started. Okay, so let's see the first way. So it says add the water into the container, not too much. Pour bottle 2 and bottle 3, then mix. Pour bottle 1, mix. Put in the refrigerator for 2 days. Ready to play. Okay. I don't know how to spell refrigerator. And then the second way is pour half of bottle 2. Pour bottle 1 and bottle 3, mix, put in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna do this second way. And if you wonder what's back here, just sprinkle and something. So let's do the second. I'm gonna put the instruction here, the second way, or let me just put it here in front of me. I'm gonna cut this. Okay. Go. This is a glue or tape, if you can see it. And there's like nutrition facts. So I'm gonna add these stickers, these stickers, these stickers, these stickers, these stickers, and that's it. I'm gonna add it, and then I'm gonna add. Yeah, that's it. So I think I'm better decorating now. So actually I'm done, and I'm put this thing too. So let's get started to make this. So it says first pour half of bottle 2. Okay, so I'm gonna pour half of this bottle 2 into this container. So I'm gonna open it and see. Half. Okay, that's what you call half. Oh, it's red. Okay, I'm gonna put it. Okay. So now pour bottle 1 and bottle 2. So I'm gonna put bottle 1. Shake it a little bit. Shake. And put it in here. So wet. Oh. So I'll probably squish it. Okay, there we go. Some tissue. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this bottle 3. Oh, whoa, so liquidy. Squish it up. Oh, ew. Oh, oh. Okay, I think that's it. So for now, I'm gonna mix. There you go. Okay, so now I'm gonna put in the refrigerator for oh, wait. Yeah, 20 minutes. 20 minutes in refrigerator. Now we're done. Okay, so I'm gonna put it 20 minutes like here. It's been 20 minutes and we're gonna check. So as you can see, the slime is more yellower and it's like a lot. So let's check it. Okay, so I'm gonna take a spoon. Okay, check. It's ready. Okay, so I'm ready. Poke it. So let's try it. Wow. Oh. I'm gonna put the slime in here. Wait. Oh, so bye. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you. I mean, please like, subscribe, and comment down below. And soon I'm gonna do a Q&A video. So can you like ask some question? You can ask any question that not dangerous. I mean, like, how old are you, or what is your favorite color? And thank you for how many subscribers? I forget. But thank you for subscribe if you have subscribed already. And bye.